What are you going to do after graduation? And that's the big question. What are you going to do after graduation? So that's the title of this presentation: Ready, Set, Graduate. Do a GPR. The 9 reasons why postgrad advanced dental education is not optional. It's not optional. So over the next 25 minutes, I want to share with you a major dilemma that is facing many new dentists, and some strategies that support several reasons why this action of doing a GPR or AGD or postgrad residency must be done. Just so you know, I'm not paid or sponsored by any dental organization or manufacturer. All these viewpoints are mine and mine alone. And the content is based off of my experiences, my collaborations and training over the last 20 years. So objectives, purpose. So we're going to identify the 9 reasons why residency training is not optional. We're going to learn a little bit about how postgrad training impacts and influences your future professional development and your success. Some ways to boost your credentials and your own uniqueness as a specialty candidate and also as a potential private practice associate. And also produce a call of action and hopefully a decision to help you and be a resource to you for your future success. So number five. So question, and I want you guys to answer this question for me. What is the average salary in the U.S.? The average salary. I heard somebody, what'd you say?
47,000.
47,000?
Yeah.
Anybody else?
175,000.
Doc, where do you live? I need to move. 52. So 175, we got 52 and 38. Okay, good. Well, the actual average salary, median salary in the U.S. is about $48,000. All right. So dental students, this question is for you. What do you guys make right now as dental students? D1, D2, D3, D4. Oh, y'all woke up now. Y'all woke up. That always happens. When you talk about money, people wake up quick. Well, this is a reason to do a residency. You know, doing a GPR typically pays a little bit more than AGD, but you're able to receive a stipend or a salary up to about $62,000. And in addition to that, you've got some benefits with some paid holidays and some vacation days. At our residency at Bronx Care, residents receive, I think it's about 63,000. It's about $64,000 for the first year, PGY at 1 year. They have full benefits. They have 8 holidays. They have 4 vacation weeks. They have 5 days for educational leave for interviews and also CE. You get some personal days. They also, other benefits include, they have what we call an education expense, where they have up to $2,000 that they can use for continuing education. And they also have a book allowance, a $650 book allowance. So keep this in mind. In private practice, as an associate, you're usually paid one of 2 ways: either a percentage of what you produce or what you collect, or it may be a per diem. And because of that, if you're not there, you don't work a particular day, you may not get paid. If you're on a per diem, you may not get paid if you're not there. Same thing if you're on a percentage of production or collection. If you're not in the chair producing, you don't get paid. So that's why it's nice doing a residency. Not only are you learning, but you don't have to worry about not being there and not getting paid for that year doing your training. because you have these benefits, you have these holidays, you have these educational leave and vacation days that you can utilize. All right. So another reason why doing a residency is important and not optional.
Hey, this is Dr. Darwin, your new dentist coach. Hey, look, it's residency time. It's residency application time. And the biggest question that a lot of people have is, how do I prepare my application? So look, if you're struggling in getting your information together, your CV, your personal statement, or you're ready but not prepared for your interviews, reach out to me ASAP, right? Through my group, Dental Residency Headquarters, we can help you. We can help you get ready for this residency cycle so that you're able to do this. We want you to match into residency cycle this year, all right? But you got some work to do. If you need some help with that application, shoot me an email at newdentistcoach@gmail.com, newdentistcoach@gmail.com. And through our program called Get Into Dental Residency, we can help you. But you got to hurry up, because residency application is right now. So shoot me an email right now. All right, let's get back to this episode.